Now, word problem number 17. We have a store is advertising the following sale. So we have tomato soup, 4 cans for how much? 98 cents. Okay, to the nearest cent. Now, every time you see to the nearest, that means your answer is not going to be exactly similar to what's listed as option in the answer options. So whatever you do, you're not going to see exactly the answer there, but most likely is going to be an approximation, which means you have to either round up or round down. We'll get to that. Now, how much would 5 cans of tomato soup cost? Okay, again, you notice that pattern? Can, money, and we have can, and we're looking for how much, which means money. So we have can versus dollar sign, okay? So these are the 2 units, if I should say, that we should be using. Okay, so let's get to the problem now. Okay, so you come to the side. Again, you always start with the words. Can, money, equals can, money. Okay, it's always a great idea to do it this way so you don't get your numbers mixed up. So when I go back to the problem, I see that 4 cans cost 98 cents. So 4 cans, I come back here, 4 cans, they cost how much? 98 cents, so 0.98. And obviously the question is about 5 cans, so I need to figure out how much that cost. Okay, so it's very important that you do can on top and can on top, and dollar sign at the bottom and dollar sign at the bottom. So cross multiply. Okay, so you're gonna multiply 5 by 98 cents, so it's 5 times 0.98, and the answer is 4.9. so 4.9 here, and you're gonna divide it by 4, obviously, because 4 faces x. So divided by 4, and the answer is 1.225. Now notice how this is not exactly an answer that I have as my option. So let me go back to the problem. I don't have 1.225 there, but the closest one I get is this here. Okay, so go ahead and select that as your final answer. That's what they mean by the word to the nearest cent, or the phrase to the nearest cent. Okay, so every time you see about or to the nearest, that means you're not going to have the exact answer. So in this case, 1.225, that's close enough, because we don't have half a cent, obviously. So this is $1.22, but we don't have half a cent, so we round it up to $1.23. Okay, so final answer is letter B, and that's $1.23.